closet. Safe. Here's the bathroom. I like the artwork, it's sweet. Double sinks, that's nice. So it's just a basic bathroom, but it's interesting they haven't switched to the large toiletries yet. And then you've got 2 queen-sized beds. Hey, may I see you?
I like to come in with style.
Of course
You
you
should have
can.
seen how I did it. Look.
Let me see.
I like to come in style.
Zucker's like Angelica.
And
Right.
this couch pulls out to a twin-sized bed.
Are we twins?
You probably wish you were twins.
No, I don't want to be your twin.
Twinsies!
Oh.
And then we are on the first floor. There's a little
Now we're
walkout balcony. With a little view of the marina.
I'm trying to get pull out.
In a nice way, you're not very good at this.
Can you help?
I will.
Wait, what can you do?
It's just looking.
In a nice way, I don't think that's how it works.
Yeah, and that's it.